Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? Back in another video. Today, just to forget. So we're gonna be taking out this OEM radio. The reason why is because I want Bluetooth and other features for my car, because this car is a daily. So there are a couple things you need before you actually just start wiring this up. It's kind of different from your typical other radio installs, and I'll show you guys in a second. All right, so this is what you need. Your aftermarket radio. It has basically everything, all that stuff. Comes with the wiring. It has these two pieces. This is for the locking, I believe, key, and this is the remote. The locking I might use. I'm not sure if how it works in the G20. The remote I won't use at all. Now here's the special thing you actually need. This is a OEM1 factory sound system interface. Basically, if your car has the Bose system or Bose audio system, you need this, or else you're gonna blow out your speakers in the car. So I'm gonna install this. I believe these are optional. This is for the I believe this is for the radio. All right, gonna get this screwdriver. First things first, we're gonna have to remove the negative cable on the battery. Probably get some new better cables. These ones just don't hold onto it tight. On my car turn off when you're in the freeway. But all right, let's go inside. All right, so to get the radio off here, you need to remove this plastic face first. All this stuff. So there are two screws that are under the radio that we're gonna remove with a Phillips head. Next, we're gonna pull up from the top here. Oh, well, I gotta get this mount from up top here. Should grab from the top, and then try to pry off this hole. So, if you look up here, there are two connectors that connect for the defrost and the emergency buttons. You just have to remove these connectors so we can get more room to get this radio out of here. There should be this tab over here. Just push down, unplug for that one. This one, I have no idea. Oh, same thing. Yeah, same thing. And now we have free use of our. Now there are 4 screws that hold this radio in. So we're gonna remove those right now. Alright, so there are 2 connectors over here, and I believe this is the radio plug. So we're gonna have to get these 2 out of here. Motherfucker! So, okay, now on to the wiring. Alright, so just got the wiring done. I just gotta heat these up to seal them. So the power wires really just connect to themselves. It's pretty confusing on how they do this. So if you look on the head unit's manual, they color code each wire for the speakers. The negatives for each speaker, they correspond directly to the negatives of the head unit, or the Pac-12, whatever. Pac-12. I keep thinking of that college foot sport thing. Anyways, however, where it gets confusing is the positives. So I'm just gonna give you an example. So the white positive of this or the positive for the left speaker, front left speaker, is solid white. So you would go to your solid white, and then on the pack unit, you would need to combine the positives, the left front low level, left front high level, combine those two wires, and they connect directly into the white positive. Same for the next one. So the solid gray of the head unit is a positive, so you would the right front low level, right front high level, you would combine these, which are the gray, red, and gray wires. Combine these two wires to go into the positive of there, and then so on and so forth. So hope that makes sense. Leave a comment if it's a little confusing. I'll try to help you clear it up. This is for the this specific Boss head unit. It could be different for different head units. Just make sure you check your manual to wire this up. So next step is to heat these up, and then we're gonna install it into the car and pray that I don't blow it up. I'm probably gonna do a one last checkup before I actually do that, just to be sure. All right, so I got all the wires together, and we're gonna go into the car and install this and pray that it works. So my wiring, excuse me, was correct. I had an issue with the radio not working, no sound output. The reason why was because this, you can hardly see it, this blue and white wire is the preamp. It needs it's part of the pack thing. You need to splice it into the ignition wire, so that way it can activate the pack 12. I mean pack 12. It activate this. So if I turn the car on now, that sound. Yeah, copyright. So now the hard step, seeing if we can get this mounted onto the thing, because I don't want this looking all janky like I stole it and put it in my car. So let's I'm gonna figure out a way to do that, and let's see, hopefully it works. So after a couple hours or so, I got the radio in. Yeah, that's it for the video. This is the radio install. One thing to note, so if you go on Amazon, this is what they use as like the single DIN radio. This radio will not fit in here, so I got a little custom. I basically screwed the sides of the bracket onto the mount, and then put this in normally. So now I have a little storage area for stuff. So almost. So yeah.